So in this video, we'll fish some of the top WooCommerce themes for your WordPress website that will give option of too much customization, styling, SEO friendly, fast, and that can suitable for all type of e-commerce business. Like there is no limit in it. So we will see some of the top themes and all the themes that I will suggest. I will have personally used it, and I will also share a feedback related to that theme. Now, first, this is not ranking based. I am just selecting. It is on random basis. One of my favorite theme that I recommend everyone. Like I have started using this theme recently. It has been I think 1 year since I am using this theme. There you get multiple built WooCommerce pre-built website for WooCommerce that you can use. And other than that, the customization this theme provide that pretty good. Like you can customize anything, whatever you want, product layout, checkout, cart, anything you say you can customize using this theme. That's the very big point of it. And the design and layout is pretty good. So that's the first one I would recommend. Like if you are creating e-commerce website, you can use this for anywhere. Now, the second thing I recommend, which I think you have seen it, this one is LG. It's like the look, view, and feel of this theme is different than the other theme, but it's a very classy, unique view and design that you will see. And it has too much custom. It also has too much component that you can use in your WooCommerce website, like too much feature for WooCommerce website. And the view you can use different type of builder like WP Bakery and Elementor. It will be available in both. You can use it like the view is pretty unique and styling a different kind of it give you a different kind of feel. I have created a website. You can use this theme by going through as per your need. Now, third is Mart Fury. Like this theme, I recommend it will be for mostly like a multi-vendor type of store, and the store that had different kind of product you can fetch. Like it's a proper e-commerce website like a, which have lots of product that you want to show that I can recommend. Otherwise, you can use it anywhere. You can style it. It's e-commerce specific. It's mainly focus on product mostly. That's the third theme. And the fourth theme I will share, Flatsham. It's a very decent, simple, and easy to load with all customization and all. Like it uses its own builder. It's a fast and responsive theme, and the styling part is unique. You can style and create this theme. Like it gives you a good view for your e-commerce website. It gives you a decent, pretty view. You can use it. I have also used this theme, and I will also suggest at last. It's similar to March Fury. Like here you can see when you want some big category window search bar that you want to show in your website for it. Also you can say it for multi-vendor, something like that. If you want to show all bulk multiple products in your homepage, or you want to focus your e-commerce website only on product, not much on that, then you can go with theme. It also give you some simple view. Also you can select this theme as per your need. You can go with it, go through each theme and see the how you can choose. I've just listed some of the top themes that you can create your website on. You can go one by one theme and see the whatever you want, like and dislike. I will recommend to use like depend on your need. You can select this theme. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any confusion. If you want me to create video on any another topic, let me know.